Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Today is April 21st and the month of April is just going by super fast. So I hope everybody had fun making their zigzag Z's and I hope you have it on your refrigerator. Today we are going to start off talking about our number 14. So 14 kind of sounds like a big number. And it is a big number because in order to get a 14, we have to have, what two numbers are these? A 1 and a 4, okay? If they're all by themselves, it's a 1 and a 4, but if we put them together like this, it's 14. So the paper you will be doing today is on our cups. We have 14 cups on our paper. And so what I'm going to have you do is trace the number. If you already know how to write that number on your own, write it to the side of it so I can see your awesome work and how good you write your numbers. If you still need help, trace the numbers because tracing teaches us how to write. So most important, I want your names at the top of the paper, capital letter first, and then lowercase for the rest, because I'm so proud of you guys on your names. All right, so and then at the bottom, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to trace it 4 times, and then I want you to flip your paper over on the back and write it, the number 14. Okay, so who remembers the trick about the 4? You can write the 4 2 ways. So who remembers that Miss Kim calls this our square 4? Okay, and then the other way you can write it is what? Who just said triangle 4? That's what we're going to do. So on the triangle 4, you can draw a triangle. So there's your triangle, but then you want to, oh, Miss Kim's paper is hard. I need to get a whiteboard. Okay, and pull it down. Okay, so there's our triangle 4. So right now, what number is it? Is that 14? Nope, it's just our number 4. So I'm going to add a 1 right there. And now we have a triangle 4 and a square 4. Okay, you guys, so when we get into the higher numbers, it seems like kiddos have a hard time from 1 to 15 to keep that in order. So Miss Kim is going to show you how numbers remind me of a pattern. Who can tell me what a pattern is with colors? You got it. If someone just said 2 colors and then you put every other one, that creates a pattern. So my numbers kind of remind me of this. If Miss Kim holds up this paper, is that a ton of numbers? It kind of looks really overwhelming when we look at this thing. But we're going to take our numbers down simple. So who can say it with me? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then here we go. This is sometimes where people get confused. So it goes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, you got it. So who can see up here all of these numbers are red? Okay, very good. And then down here, what color is the 1? You're right, it's blue. So what I did is we went 0 through 9, and then I add a 1 in front of every number, and it makes it a bigger number. Okay, so what comes after 1? You got it, number 2. So if we pull this down, my goodness, now we have a 2 in front of all of the red numbers, okay? So now we're gonna go to our number 2. So have we done 1? Yes. And then we've done 2. So I'm going to mark off my 2. So then it goes 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Who knows that next number? You got it. It's 30. So wow, look at all of these numbers now. So on this row, it goes to a 3. So we've done 1, 2, And now we're gonna mark off our 3 because our numbers go in order. So then we go 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So what number are we gonna put in front of the next ones? You got it, we're gonna go to 4. Okay, so one fun things about numbers are never ending, okay? On our letters, how many letters do we have in the alphabet? You got it, there's 26, and then they end. But numbers are never ending, and we count with our numbers. Okay, so for the next one, then we did the number 4, and then what's the next number? 5, okay? And so then it goes 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and then we go to 60. Okay, so that's all of the numbers I could put on this page. So this kind of shows you that numbers are never ending. Anyways, okay, I will be back for the letter Z and art time. I'm going to have you watch the number 14, and then I'm going to have you get up and do a wiggle dance. And then I want you to have your big paper. Look what Miss Kim did to her big paper. I tore up black pieces and I put it around my zoo. And then I have my 2 hippos. Bring this back so we can do our art projects. Okay, see you in a second.